Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from BRUU, which is a gourmet tea subscription. This comes all the way from the UK, but they do ship to the US. I've unboxed a few of these and they're tons of fun. So there's always a discover card, and in here is a tea from the country or the destination that is mentioned in this card, which I think is a really fun idea. So this time we have Turkish Rise. So they always put this Discover tea in the golden satchel so that it's really easy to find. Looks like that. Something in here smells really good and fruity. But it does go over all sorts of facts. It says Turkey is one of the world's biggest consumer of tea. It's quite normal to be offered a glass of tea at your bank, your hairdresser, and even your dentist. That would be interesting because they definitely don't do that here. How to make the perfect Turkish tea, Turkish Rise rather, and then some facts and statistics. And it says next month they visit with Iran. So very cool. I like the learning aspect of that. Also, they throw in a snack. So this month is a kind of breakfast bar and blueberry almond, which looks really good. There's also a promo code for that to buy online. And then here are the 3 teas, and they came pretty intact this month. They have these really cute little gold clothespins that have a card on them telling you all about the tea. And in the past, sometimes they get jumbled a little bit. But here is the first one, KTDA. This is a black tea. And then the card, wait for it to focus, there we go, tells you all about it. A bright, punchy black tea. And this is from Kenya. So that's the first one. Next up, Spring Beginnings. This is a green tea. They're all identified on the front. And they do have little see-through packages on the back as well. So this is a blend of green and white and tan teas. And this comes from Japan. It says the region it comes from has a long history of volcanic activity. Very cool. And the ingredients are down here as well. So sencha green tea, white tea, something I can't pronounce, mango flakes, that sounds good, orange slices, marigold blossoms, and freeze-dried strawberries. Cool. And the last one in the box. Yum. So this one is a fruity tea, and it's called Orange Ice Cream. So you already know that one's probably going to be my favorite. Nice and colorful on the back. Let's take a look at this card. It says this one has orange aromas mixed with the sweet taste of vanilla. Think of ice cream on a hot day, coupled with tangy apple, and you have a delicious brew. Yeah, I'm probably gonna like that. Ingredients: apple pieces, sour apple pieces, freeze-dried whole gooseberries, spearmint, marigold blossoms, and safflowers. Very fun tea subscription, that's for sure. If you guys are interested in joining, like I said, they do ship to the US, so I will put all their information below and their website. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.